Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. So the first thing you need to do is to check your privacy settings. To do this, head to Settings and then Privacy and Security. From there, just ensure that your settings allows messages from everyone or at least from contacts. Next, add the contact that you wish to send a message to. So just ask the person you want to message to send you a message first. And then once you receive their message, save them as a contact. This will make them a mutual contact, allowing you to send messages. Next up, use @SpamBot. Open a chat with @SpamBot on Telegram. Follow the prompts to check if your account has been flagged for spam. If it has, you can appeal the restriction through the bot. Next, you can also try updating the app, so just make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram. Sometimes updating the app can resolve such issues. Then you can also try clearing the cache of your app. You can do this by heading to Settings, Data and Storage, and then Storage Usage. From there, clear the cache to ensure there are no temporary issues causing the restriction. And finally, sometimes restrictions are temporary. If you haven't violated any rules, the restriction might be lifted automatically after some time. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.